This tutorial deals with how to capture multiple elements or blocks of text using Homestead SiteBuilder program. To select a single item, you simply click on it, and then it is surrounded by this box, meaning that that particular item is selected, and then you can do whatever you want with it in terms of moving it around. Well, let's say you want to select more than just one item on this page. You depress your Shift key, select, Now those two items will move in conjunction with each other. Or you can also use this to copy the two items. You can go to another page, and select paste. Those two items will then be pasted in the exact same place that you copied them from on this page. Now, let's say you want to capture an entire group of items. It's easy to rope them. You mouse click. When the box starts showing, you have then selected this entire block of elements. Again, you just simply rope all of those elements. Now, if you would like to group those elements and keep them all together, Format, Group, and they will remain connected together, and you can move them as a unit. To ungroup, you simply select them, go back to Format, choose Ungroup. They're then separate from each other. But let's say we wanted to capture several items within this blue box. You select one, you can depress your Shift key and select each item, move them. But to rope these and save yourself some time, if you try to rope when elements are sitting on a secondary background, you're going to pick up the background as well. So what you want to do is just go ahead and select that whole thing, but you don't want the background to be in this group. Hit your Control key, click on that background, and it removes the selection box from around that rectangle background. Your main background, which is the background that you select when you first start your page, will always remain static. You can't select it. So you don't have to worry about it following any of the other items that you might select and want to move. I'm going to take this out. Now, to reiterate, to select an item, you merely click on it. To select multiple items, you can depress the Shift key, click, click. If you want to group them together and move them as a unit, Format, Group. To ungroup, you just reverse that, and then they are no longer grouped, and you can move them individually. When you rope, if you pick up something you don't want in there, you simply depress the Control key and click on the item, and it removes the selection. Being able to capture multiple elements is very helpful when you're trying to set your site up and you want your main items, the items that will be on every page, you want those to be in the same place on every page. So you simply capture them, edit, copy, go to the next page, edit, paste. That will place, in this case, the header logo in the same place on every page throughout your site. So remember, click to select, to press the Shift key to multiple select, to press the Control key to take an item out of your selection group. I hope this will help you save some time in getting your website built. Remember that you can always stop by the forum at www.homesteadconnectionforum.com for additional help with your site builder program.